Hello students, good morning to all. This is our environmental studies lecture, and in this lecture we are starting our unit number 19, and the name of the unit is the natural and man-made environment. What is a natural thing? Natural things are trees, plants, sun, moon, etc. And man-made, that means the things which are made by man, that is called a man-made things. Let's we see in a description. All the things around us like a land, water, air, plants, animals, places and people make our environment. So our environment makes by the land, water, air, plants, animals, places and people. There are some natural things and some man-made things in our environment. Natural environment. Which are the natural environment? Let's we see the picture. See, this is the picture of a mountain. Mountain is the natural thing. Second picture is about the river. River is also a natural thing. Third picture is the trees. Tree is also a natural thing. What are the man-made environment? Let's we see. First picture is about the house. House is the man-made environment. Second is the bus. Bus is made by any human. So this is a man-made environment. Third one is the road. Road is constructed by the construction worker. So this is also man-made environment. And this is the computer. So house, road, buses, computer, all are the man-made environment. Let's we see the next point. We need a healthy environment to live and grow well. We need a land to grow crops. We need a water to drink, cook and wash. We need a water to drink, cook and wash. We need a air to breathe. What we are taking in our breath? Oxygen, and oxygen gives us by the trees. We need a house to live in. We need a people to live in. We should take care to keep our environment neat, clean and healthy. We must have to take care to keep our environment neat, clean and healthy. What can we do to keep it clean and healthy? What should we have to do to keep our environment clean and healthy? Let's we see. We should not throw rubbish, garbage on the street. We must have to keep these in the dust box. It rots and gives our stench. Germs grow on it and germs can cause diseases. We should not cut plants and trees unnecessarily. We should not waste paper, water or electricity. We should be helpful and polite to our neighbors and people around us. We should be kind to animals. We should not throw a rubbish. It rots and gives the stench. Germs grow on it and germs can cause diseases. We should not cut the plants and trees unnecessarily. We should not waste paper, water or electricity. We must have to save that. We should be helpful and polite to our neighbors and people around us. We should be kind to animals. When we do not take care of our environment, it becomes dirty. It is called a polluted environment. Pollution can cause many diseases. Air pollution is caused by the smoke from vehicles and factories. Air pollution is caused by the smoke and from vehicles and factories. Water pollution is caused by the wastes from houses and factories by washing clothes and animals in the ponds and lakes and by throwing garbage in the water. Water pollution is caused by the wastes from house, factory, washing the clothes, animals in the ponds and lakes and by throwing the garbage in water. Air pollution is caused by the smoke of the vehicles and factories. All of us should work to protect our environment by keeping all the things safe. Now let's we move to our exercise. These all are about new unit, natural and man-made things. Now let's we move to our exercise. Question number 1, new words. THINGS, things. LAND, land. WATER, water. AIR, air. Plants, PLANTS. Environment, ENVIRONMENT. Crops, CROPS. BREATHE, breath. HEALTHY, healthy. Rubbish, RUBBISH, garbage. GARBAGE, electricity. ELECTRICITY. Neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, pollution. POLLUTIONS, factories. FACTORIES, protect. PROTECT. These are the new words of this unit. Write in your notebook 2 times and try to learn this also. Let's we move to our next exercise. Question number 2. Answer the following question. First question is, what are the things that make our environment? Answer is land, water, air, plants and animals, places and people make our environment. Question number 2. Why do we need a healthy environment? Answer is to live and grow well. Question number 3. Name one things that we should do to keep our environment clean. Answer is we should not throw rubbish, garbage on the street. Question number 4. What is a polluted environment? Answer is environment becomes polluted if we do not take care. Question number 5. How is air pollution caused? Answer is that I have give to you as a written way. Now next exercise. Question number 3, filling the following columns. Environment, natural and man-made. What are the natural things? Mountains, rivers, trees, sea. Man-made, house, bus, road and computer. So these are the exercise of this unit. You have to write in your textbook